I have no friends. It's a scary thing to admit that, you know, especially here on LinkedIn, but it's true.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal at all, no.
I know a lot of people, but it's mostly through networking and work and everything to do with work. I'm really lucky because I've got some amazing work colleagues, and you know, naturally we share our lives with each other, so we share what's going on. But you know, I don't take them out for dinner, and I don't go on long country walks with them. I don't do stuff with them that friends do. It's not just me as well who's got no friends. There are a staggering number of people, and mostly men, across the UK who've got very few, if any people, friends that they can actually talk about any sort of serious stuff with. And it's a tough one, isn't it? Because, you know, you don't want to be the sad, lonely git that admits to having no friends, but I haven't. So charities are urging men to make more time for socialising and starting hobbies. So this is an article in the Times. All the lonely people are men. A fifth have no friends. Almost 1 in 5 men admits to having no close friends. So how do you make friends? So rather than just wallow in self-pity and just think that I'm a sad, lonely git, I joined a meetup group, and there's a new members meeting in that pub tonight at 7 o'clock, and I'm going.
I feel so much for you that I don't know what to do.
Right, time to go and get ready then.
'Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. This time I must know for sure. 'Cause someone was before you, and someone let me go. But I just need to be sure.
Okay, I'm a bit nervous. I'm here. I don't know anybody coming to this thing tonight. I've switched over to the phone now because, well, I don't want to be woken up and being that weirdo that comes to these things with a whole camera kit. So I'm not going to film it tonight. Although I will try and capture a couple of things on the phone if I can. Well, that was really great. What a great evening, and what a brilliant bunch of people as well. I mean, you've got the quiet ones, you've got the confident ones, but really, really good fun. I'm so glad I got off my backside and, you know, got a bit of guts and went and did something like that. It was really, really good fun. And do you know what? I mean, I wouldn't call them necessarily friends yet, but I hope they will be in the future.